Hello, good morning all. Today in this video we are going to discuss regarding a new feature which has been added in Odoo 14 Community Edition. So as it is available in Community Edition, definitely it will be available in the Enterprise also. The feature that I am going to talk about is the recurring tasks. So currently in the screen you are seeing Odoo 14 Community Edition, which I am accessing from the Odoo Runboot. So if you check the URL, you can see the URL is master.runboot.odoo.com. So first of all, if I go to the settings and if I scroll down, here you can see the version is Odoo 14.1 Alpha 1 Community Edition. So this is I'm accessing from the Odoo master branch. So if you want to access and test the Odoo 14, simply you can search Odoo Runboot, click and open the master branch and see the Odoo 14 edition. So let's focus on the topic that we are discussing, that is a recurring task. So if I go to the project module, so here we have the project module. So if I go to the project module and then to the configuration and then to the settings, inside the settings you can see there is a new option called recurring tasks, and if you read it you can see auto generate tasks for regular activities. So in some business cases there might be some task which is occurring regularly, like we need same task repeating over some days or repeating over months, etc. So in some such cases we can use this functionality, that is a recurring task. So to use it, first of all you have to enable it from the settings of the project. So here you can see we have already enabled the recurring task in the database. So once you enable this, and if you go to the project module, sorry, the project menu, so here we have the master menu of the projects. So if I go to the projects and if I open any of the projects, so here you can see the look and feel of the tree view itself has been improved in Odoo 14. So we will feel the change. And if I need to show more field like project manager or silo or something else, we can show from here. So this is the feature introduced in Odoo 13. So if I go to the first project, that is if I open AGR S0041 and if I click on edit mode and if I go to the settings, here you can see an option, that is recurring task. So once we enable the recurring task in general, we have to mention whether the recurring task functionality should be available for this project. So here you can say currently the recurring tasks is enabled for this project. So let's see what happens if I create a task for this project. So what I will do, I'll be copying this name, that is AGRSO0041. So definitely as per the name you can see this is a project which get generated from a sale order. So now I will go to the tasks, and from the task I'll be creating a task under this project, that is test task. I'll be giving the name as test task, and in the project I'll be choosing this one, AGR 00041. So once that is choose, so right now once that is choose and if I click on save button, here you can see we have the boolean again, whether this task should be a recurrent or not. So first of all we have to tick that, that is this is a recurrent task. So on ticking this you can see a new tab has been got visible here. So if I untick this, you can see this is getting invisible. So I'll be ticking this so that this tab will be available, and here we can specify in which interval this task has to be got created again, that is repeat every week, every days. Like we have four options, that is days, weeks, months and years. So I'll be choosing days, like, or here you can see repeat until forever or end of date, like we can specify till which date it has to be generated. So if I change it to 30th of this month, here you can see next occurrence as it's coming in all days, and total it will be number of tasks is 13. Like that we will be getting information here. And if I change it to months, if I change it to months, we can specify different criteria like repeat on day, on month, like we can configure it dynamically. So that's all about the recurrent task. So once we done this, the Odoo scheduler will automatically create such task. So here you can see task 1 in recurrence. So this is a new feature which has been added in Odoo 14 edition. And if you go to the project and if I open the first project, here you can see we have got a project overview, and it seems it has been improved from Odoo 13, like a look and feel has been changed. I haven't checked whether really the functionality has been changed or not, but it seems there is something change has been happened. It seems very good, and we have the option to create invoice from here. So that's all about this video, and if you have any queries, please don't hesitate to comment it out or reach us over the email, that is odomates@gmail.com. And if you have any suggestions, feedback, don't hesitate to comment it out. We will be improving as per your suggestions and feedbacks. So if you want to test the Odoo 14, just go to the browser, open a tab, search Odoo Runboot, click and open the master branch. So this is the Odoo 14 community edition. So that's all about this video. Have a nice day. Thank you.